Hello everyone, today is my son's 15th birthday, and I'm going to make him something so good it'll make a zombie's mouth fall off. His favorite meal, chicken strips and pasta with asparagus spears, plus a Takis chicken strip surprise. Starting us off, let's get our stuff in order. Let's start the asparagus spears, drizzle olive oil over them and put them in the oven for 20 minutes at 300 degrees. Next, let's get ready to make the chicken strips. Mix up the eggs and add in your favorite blend of secret seasonings. Cutting up the chicken should be done at some point, let's get it. Can't you just hear this picture sizzle, sizzle sizzle? At this time it would be a good time to ask you to subscribe while we wait for this to cook on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. We're halfway done, man, this stuff is looking lovely. Hey look, the asparagus is all done, early but looks good. Let's start the special Takis chicken strips and Takis. Fun part, crush them Takis like the Hulk. That was fun, I Hulk smash them chips. Crush Takis. Dip your chicken in the egg mix. Chuck the chicken in your Takis mix, now mix like your life depends on it. Ha ha ha, now that was gooey, but really satisfying, ha ha ha. Good God, even I can smell this masterpiece. At this point, I can't tell you how excited I am. This is a picture of 1,000 words. Plate number 1, dazzling. Plate number 2, I spread my greens out to make the plate look more colorful. Let's eat this amazing dinner and test out our Takis chicken strips, but at this time please subscribe to our channel, it would mean a lot to us. Now on with the show.
Hmm.
This video was inspired by the Spicy King himself. Luke did that on YouTube. Definitely check out his channel and give him a sub. The guy is amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day.